What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. Thank you for joining for another video. Today we're going to take a really quick look at the Taurus M605, also known as the Protector Poly. So the Poly stands for polymer. This is a polymer framed gun with a steel cylinder and a steel barrel. Now this is not an official review. This is just an unboxing. I want you guys to know that this is out there and you can get them for a reasonable price. Now, this is the 357 model. You also can shoot 38 special. Okay, just be advised, 357 rounds are very, very powerful and they're very expensive as well. So you may want to opt to shoot 38 special with this gun. Other than, I would say, if you're using it for a concealed carry, I would just shoot the 38 rounds. So as I said, it's a polymer framed handgun, steel cylinder, steel barrel. The barrel length is 2 inches. You've got a total length of 6.58 inches, and you got a weight of 19.75 ounces. Let's talk about pricing on this. I picked this up for $249 plus tax, made it $267, and I got it at Academy Sports. The box comes with a standard Taurus box. Nothing special there. You do get an extra grip, so you can detach that one, but this one here is a little bit shorter, which I don't know why they even included that. But if you want a shorter handle, and I said grip handle, same thing, you can attach this there. It also comes with a Taurus, what they call a Taurus security system, and these are the keys to unlock it and lock it. You do get this as well. Now it does have a sight here on the front, and that is a fixed fiber-optic sight. And this thing right here is just meant to protect the sight. Let's see, did I miss anything else? And I'm kind of referring to the manual here. It comes in a couple different colors. You got matte blue or stainless. Actually, I think it's more colors than that, because this is sort of a brownish color. You can shoot this in single action or double action. I'm going to roll some footage of me actually shooting it. I did shoot 357 rounds, like I said, both in single and double action. The trigger weight in double action is extremely, extremely heavy. Other than that, that is pretty much it, guys. Again, this is the Protector Poly. Let's turn this around. That nomenclature is M605. If you guys got any questions about this gun, please let me know. A full review is coming soon. I want to at least get maybe 200 to 300 rounds through this before I'll say it's a good value. But certainly the price is good. That price point at $250 is typically where you're going to see these at, maybe a little bit more in certain places. I'm Tactical Black Guy, guys. Thanks for joining me, and I'm out.